It's your girl, Jessie Black Tarot. Guess what? It's been such a long time since I actually posted on the channel, but guess what? You know what they say? New year, new me. So, what we're going to do today, we're going to go ahead and pull on the energy for the collective. If you guys would like a personal reading from me, the information will be in the description bottom. The description bottom. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I really hope that you guys enjoyed your New Year's. I really, really, really do. Without further ado, you know me, I like to talk, but when it comes to these readings, I like to get down to it. So let's go ahead and figure out what's going on. Please make sure you tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Oh, God. Let's see what we have here. Oh, you got desperation. You got bridges. Keep in mind, both of those came in the reverse though, but I'm going to read it in the upright unless told differently. You also have generational curses. Refresh, recharge. You also have humility as well. Okay, so this could be some of you or just all of you guys, to be honest with you. At the bottom of the deck that you don't see is no. Some of you guys currently could be at a point right now where you had a teaching moment. I'm just going to be real with you. I think 2025 was everybody's teaching moment, to be just honest with you, just in general. 2025 was definitely one of those teaching moments where it gave us some type of great lessons that we had to learn. And a lot of trials and tribulations that we had to go through. A lot of us didn't make it, but the ones that are still here, I hope you're proud of yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back. This is definitely 2025. Because even when I just looked at the cards, they look completely different. But literally, I saw 2020 and I saw 5. Okay, this could have been something that some of you guys could have been in. I don't know, something that was detrimental back in 2021, and you're just now seeing yourself come out of the fire now with 2026. This could be something that's dealing with like gambling or just financial debt in general. You have no at the bottom of the deck as well. I feel a lot of you guys really are going through some type of new rebirth, and I really like this for you. It's your time, and you also have move on. This is something that has definitely changed. Whatever this was, it could be just you being with somebody. The flame has definitely burnt out. Somebody has burnt that bridge when it came to you. You know, also with generational curses, what I'm getting as well, some of you guys was thinking to yourself that you wanted to break generational curses at any expense, at whatever expense. But a lot of you guys are sitting back and you're like, you know what, I still can do that, but I need to work smarter and not harder. That's for a lot of you guys. You're changing the way that you see how you can break this. We're going to get 2 more. Headstrong. I like that. So far, so good. Last but not least, you got self-care. I like this. I am really, really liking this. I like this a lot. I really, really like this a lot. Like I said, this year, a lot of you guys are just going to say no to a lot of things. Some people are going to tell you that, oh my God, you're mean. You're a bully. You're being so mean. I don't understand. And you know what you're going to tell them? Okay. Next, your point is, life has a funny way of teaching us lessons. I feel like a lot of you guys have learned these lessons when it came to 2025. And now, you know, now you're going to keep your head on the swivel. Things are going to catch you off guard, but not necessarily like a deer in the headlight. You're gonna already know, like you're going to expect it coming. That's what, and this could happen, something that happens, you know, at like nightfall when it's dark. You're going to have a lot of people that's seeing you boss up in general and just asking if there's something that they can get. Some of you guys are actually traveling this year as well. Could be somewhere where it's cold or something dealing with hunting season. When is hunting season? I don't know. But it's your time. Some of you guys could be getting a Phoenix tattoo or you just have a Phoenix tattoo. It's time for you guys to rise out of the ashes. See, this energy from last year all the way up until this year, this is something completely different. Desperation, bridges, generational curses, then refresh, recharge, humility. It's your time. Move on, headstrong, and self-care. Hatred, because they ain't gonna like it. They're not gonna like the fact that you're moving. They're not gonna like the fact that you're speaking your truth now and you're telling them no. They're not gonna like it. You're telling them that they're gonna either have to shit or get off the pot, and they don't like that. I like this for you so far. Let's see what else we got. You got the 3 of Wands that came out here, and you also got the 4 of Cups that came in reverse as well. So if there was anything that had you in your head that you felt like that you was sad with, that you felt like, oh, you had to get out of that energy, it just seemed like you was just moody, just down and in a depression, whatever that is, you're moving completely out of that. I just told you that with this spread anyway. You're definitely moving completely out of that. There's things that you've been planning on that you said that you were going to do. You're going to start picking that back up as well. Somebody could be some type of interior designer or clothes designer as well. Some of you guys are also shedding the weight. Shedding some type of weight. And also, what am I really getting with that? Because what I just heard was like, what I just saw was like the green and red. I just saw like the stoplight, so I'm thinking of a car, but it's not. It's something. It's not that. Maybe a license, a CDL, or something like that. But you guys are choosing happiness, and you're moving out of that funky place that you once was. I'm telling you, it came out just with the other one. 5 of Cups in reverse. You also got the Hierophant that's in reverse as well. You know what's so crazy? That the fact that you're moving out of this energy, and I don't even know why I put it over here on the right side either, but the fact that you're actually moving out of this energy itself, trying different things, what used to once please you and got that cuckoo wet is not going to get that cuckoo wet. What once used to please you and got that thing rock solid and jumping up, it's not going to make that thing rock solid and jumping up anymore, you know. And this is not something that has to be schmexual. This does not have to be a schmexual thing at all. This is just you're seeing that you are, you know what, I know where I want to be at, and I might not be there right now, but it's fine. I know who I want, and we might not be there right now, but it's fine. I know where I want to work at, I might not have it right now, but it's fine. You just actually being content with this, you know, trying, looking at this situation completely different than what you did before. Remember I said before with generational curses, you was willing to do that at all costs, at any cost necessary. Now you like, you know what? No, because I did that and that was messing with my health. No, I did that and I almost went broke trying to break a generational curse. No, you know, I was doing that, but I think what I need to do was start small. I should just start hugging my kids. I should go ahead and call my parents and just tell them I'm sorry, and let's start the year over new. And you know, that also breaks generational curses as well. It doesn't have to be you running yourself raggedy, okay? You got the Ace of Wands that's out here, like, and the Ace of Cups that's out here. Ace, let's go, baby. Whatever this is that you feel like that you wanted to do, whether it was on a trip or just starting over and rebranding yourself or having a brand in particular, I feel like whatever this is, if you need that clarity, you definitely are getting it now. This is something that you definitely need to start over again. As you're doing this, you're gonna have people that feel that feel like you're changing. And also, this is telling me to tell you as well to not rush the process. Like I said, you tried to rush it before. This is not the time for you to be rushing the process at all. This is time for you to know that things are about to change in your life. This is about a time to know that you are wired, okay? Yeah, you're going to want it to move quickly than what it's doing now, but don't do that. Don't worry about it. It's definitely coming in time. I actually like this for you. There's going to be certain people and things that you're going to have to cut off, baby. You got the 8 of Swords, the 6 of Cups, and also the Lovers that's here as well. There's going to be a certain people and things you have to cut off in order for you to even elevate the way that you want to elevate. You're going to know exactly who those people and who those things are, because these are going to be the people and things that every time when you try to win, they don't really say much about you. These are the people that give you, every time they come around, your head gets sore or your body just tense up, or you start thinking to yourself, I don't really think such and such has happened for me, or I don't really think every time I'm over here or in this area, I don't know, I just feel something just go up. That those are the people who you don't need to be around. Final messages. You could have people that's coming back from the past with their sneaky asses. 7 of Swords. What else we got here? Final message, please. We got the 4 of Pentacles. What else? The High Priest. Let me get one more. You're going to have people that's around you, and you know they're going to be sneaky and completely guarded. These are the type of people that, yeah. You're going to have to cut off certain people and certain things. Could be people that you're working with, could be a partner, could be family, friends, like I said before. You're going to have people that's literally that you're going to be around. They want you to scratch their back, but they're not going to be willing to scratch your back. They're going to say that you are more fortunate and they are less fortunate. That's why you should do this, that, and the third for them. And I'm here to tell you that is the absolute no, that's not true. Remember at one of the decks we saw, it said no. So you're about to go to different places. You're definitely about to elevate. They're not about to like this. You're asking who is there. I'm telling you who there is. There could be your best friend. There could be your family. Okay? There. You would know exactly who it is because you would feel this right here in this area here. You would know exactly who this is. Okay? It's time for you to stay rooted because you have so much more work to do. And I feel like you'll be happy with this. You'll be breaking generational curses and getting away from all those negative attachments. It's 2026 is definitely a new year for you. A new year for you to shine. And baby, it's time. See you guys next time.